Workout Wednesday 2020, week 25. Can you add and remove items from a set? This week I took the challenge of using pizza toppings. Now what we have here is if I wanted a size pizza, so I currently have a medium in my basket, but I want to remove that, so I'm going to click it. Now I have a remove from pizza menu, so I remove it, takes me under budget, but I'm going to add my large back in. So I can add my large. And we've just got a few little bits and pieces in terms of the budget and the list of items down the side. So the main concepts of this is the in and out of the set. So I'm going to create a new set of product. Create set. As you can see, this is all of the toppings, all of the pizza sizes, and all of the other different types. So I'm just going to call this toppings. Just going to select a few different options so you can see whether it's in or out. I'm going to bring that into the view and add product in as well. So you can see my product is in or out. I'm going to hit OK, add my price in and add the type to colour. So you can see all of these ones at the top are in and all the ones at the bottom are out. I'm just going to keep only toppings for now, just so that we have a little bit more space. And this the filter action will allow us to just keep one of the types anyway. So how do we click on a option and remove it from or add it to my pizza set? And as you can see, they're already currently there. So if I go to worksheet actions, let me just remove both of those and add them in again. So if I add change set value, and this is going to be called add to pizza. Now, even though we're doing it on sheet 7, if we change it to the sheet 1 pizza toppings, it'll allow us to add this into our dashboard when we eventually do one. We're going to hit it on the menu and we're going to add the toppings. And this time we're going to add values to set. So this time when you click on something, it's going to add it to the set. So I hit OK and hit OK again. Now if I want to add ground beef, I can hit the ground beef option and add to pizza. You can see then it goes into my set. If I add onions, it's going in again. But now how do I remove it? There's currently no option. But with the new set action features, if I go to worksheet, actions, change set values, and this time we're going to say remove from pizza. Same again. Sheet 1, so we know that it's on our data source. Do the menu select to the toppings. We're going to remove values from set but keep set values. Hit OK and hit OK again. Now when I click on onions, I have two options. Add to pizza, remove from pizza. So I'm going to remove onions from my pizza. So now I have my ins and my outs and my set actions, which is pretty cool. In my dashboard, you notice I have a tick for those particular options that I have. So what we've done here is I'm going to duplicate this in pizza and edit it. We're going to change this to the toppings. Now what this does is it says if toppings is in, because it's a true false set, then give me a tick, else give me a blank. So if I put that into my view, what happens is it groups all of the products by their particular in pizza tick or non-item, whereas we want it still in alphabetical order. This is where my product copy come in. So what I did, I just copied the product and I dragged that into my view, right click and show header. Now it's still in alphabetical order and I can see those ticks that I know are inside my pizza. The other thing to notice was when I click on something, it doesn't highlight it doesn't disguise the rest of the toppings. When I click on here, you'll see that the rest of the toppings are muted, apart from the one I've selected. The way I've done this in this view is I've created just a calculation which says true. If I add that to detail, and again, we're going to go to worksheet actions, and this time we're going to add an highlight action in. And again, we can do it on the pizza dataset. on the select for the selected fields, and we're just going to say true. And we're going to say, I'm just going to call this a false highlight. I'm going to hit OK. Now when I hit OK, when I click on something, it's now not going to highlight that option. So you can see the little black outline, but you can't then see that the rest of them are all grayed out. Now, the way that we've done the filter action is just a simple filter action on the dashboard. So if I go to Dashboard, Dashboard Actions, and I have a look at the category, it's looking at the category select to the toppings based on the type. We don't want it to filter any of the others. Hit OK. And yeah, so that is the main bits and pieces of this week's Workout Wednesday. So good luck, and I hope you learned something new with your set action knowledge. Thank you.